By taking A-level biology, you have the opportunity to learn about all of the different processes of the human body. You can learn about things such as genetics, diseases, organ systems, and you also have the opportunity to combine practical work with theory work. Even if you don't want to have a scientific career, you can still learn lots of valuable skills such as critical thinking, problem solving, and teamwork.
Hello, my name is Miss Cook. I'm Head of Biology at Wirral Grammar for Girls, and I'm here to tell you a little bit about what goes on in our department to support girls completing an A-level in biology. During Year 12, we will complete 4 units of work, which will be the grounding for topics covered in Year 13. Biological molecules covers proteins, carbohydrates, and DNA. It looks at why these molecules are important in cell growth. Cells builds on work covered at GCSE. You will learn about cell functions that you are already familiar with, but in more detail. Later in the course, we cover topics such as the heart and lungs, as well as evolution and genetics. The A-level specification includes 12 required practicals to be covered throughout the 2-year course. However, we try to complete 1 practical each week where the students work independently to learn new practical skills. Students carry out and complete their own experiment. They collect the results that they later analyse. Practical skills are assessed in the A-level examination. Students will have many opportunities to practice a range of different methods to make sure that they are familiar with techniques that are questioned in the exam. At least 10% of the marks awarded in the exam are from the mathematical requirements. We practice these skills from the beginning of the course, and they are embedded in all areas of biology that we deliver. Students are well supported by the department if they need more help. Pupils who have a good maths GCSE and set the higher paper will be able to cope with the mathematical requirements of this course. We work closely with a lot of our local universities and strive to make sure that the students are given every opportunity to experience biology in the field and be up to date with current research. We regularly have Dr. Guy Sutton into our lessons to discuss current neurological techniques and perform a live brain dissection. We visit labs from local universities so that students can carry out experiments that would not always be possible in school. We have visited universities and had local professors in who can talk to our pupils about the most up-to-date developments in biology, making sure that pupils are well prepared for university interviews. Pupils have 5 lessons of biology a week, shared between 2 teachers, with 1 teacher responsible for delivering the practical aspect of the course. Pupils are provided with an A-level textbook, and they are given access to an additional online textbook to support their independent learning. There is a minimum requirement of a grade 6 in biology. Good grades in maths and chemistry will also help students make the jump to A-level biology. At the end of the 2-year course, there will be 3 written papers to sit. Each one will be 2 hours long. Paper 1 will cover all work completed in Year 12, whereas Paper 2 will cover all work completed in Year 13. Paper 3 is a synoptic paper and includes an essay for pupils to demonstrate the links made between different key areas of biology. The following videos are between some of our current GCSE pupils and A-level students.
Is there much homework?
Yes, there is some homework, but it does help us review over what we just learned in a lesson.
Too much practical work.
We do lots of practical work in our lessons, which helps us see the science in action and understand the information that we're taught in lessons, but in a more practical environment.
How much maths is in A-level biology?
Yes, there is maths involved, but it's only a harder version of what we already do at GCSE.
There's also a lot of graph work, but it's just interpreting the graphs and it's not too difficult.
Is there a big jump from GCSE to A-level?
There's definitely a lot more content than there was at GCSE, but it's definitely manageable because you have 5 lessons a week and you've got all your frees to work in as well.
I found the jump between GCSE and A-level to do with the difficulty actually alright, purely because it's just for A-level it's more specific and in detail of what you learned at GCSE.
So definitely make sure you consolidate after each lesson.
You will learn something new every lesson.
Thank you for watching this short introduction into what it is like to study biology as an A-level subject. If you have any questions, please get in touch with the department or ask your teacher. We will finish now with a list of some of the courses that pupils have gone on to study at university. Thank you for watching.